for calling Ichiban Moto. Our regular business hours are 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. Please leave a message.
Ichiban, it's Dino from HackaweekTV. Could you please give me a call about my seat foam?
Yeah, Dino, I'm here. What's up? I do have it. Yeah, it's a prototype cam, but I think I'll give it a try. Absolutely. All right, look forward to receiving it. Talk to you later. So I sent the word out that I've got this prototype foam rejuvenator, and Dino from HackaweekTV is going to send me a seat to try this out. The seat foam arrived today, so now I can test out that new can of foam rejuvenator. Okay, I'll just let that sit for an hour or two. That worked badass. Check that out. It almost looks new. Just need to box this up and ship it back. So that worked badass. I'd like to thank Dino for sending me his seat to try the foam rejuvenator. In fact, you should try Dino's YouTube channel. It's HackaweekTV. You can click here to check it out, or below in the video description are links to his channel and his website. Click here to subscribe for weekly Ichiban Moto videos.